What's up, y'all? Jesse Southern Reels fishing down at the OBX today. Out here on one of the local bridges. Just doing some fishing for some sheepshead using sand fleas and fiddler crabs. A bit of difficulties with my kayak this morning. My drive keeps popping loose. The little click and go on the Hobie's damaged, and also my sonar system isn't powering on this morning, so I'm fishing blind, which is fine. So I'm going to bang some of these pilings, see if we can get something here. Water's not very deep at this bridge, so I really know what to expect. So, wish me luck. As you see, y'all, my drive just keeps coming loose. I'll push it back, pedal it a couple times, it comes loose on this aggravating. I've got some sand fleas that I caught this morning live. I'll try them first. I did bring some fiddler crabs as well, but I want to save them. And if sand fleas work, might as well use them. I've tested the water here. It's about, I'm guessing, 12, 14 foot deep along this channel barrier here. So that's where I'm going to start, because I know the other side of this bridge, it just keeps getting shallower and shallower. Hoping to find some sheepshead, maybe some drum today. I don't know. That's so annoying. Let's see what we can find out here, y'all. Alright, y'all, I'm going to be doing some voiceover on this video just to kind of fill in some of the information. Good bite there right away. Just a nice little bite there. Just to let you know, through most of this video I was using either a 3/8 ounce or a 1/2 ounce bottom sweeper. Yeah, there's definitely some little sheeps, it looks like, on these. I had never personally seen a 3/8 ounce bottom sweeper, but I found them at a tackle shop called Tide Chasers right by Kitty Hawk Kites in Ag Kid. And honestly, the 3/8 ounce jigs work really well in this situation, because most of these sheepshead were hitting in literally 2 to 3 feet of water, and they were small, as you see, so the smaller size really helped catch these little guys. Also, to be honest with you guys, I'm only showing you the actual catches here because it was like a 1-to-4 ratio, I'm guessing, of hits versus actual hookups. And if I showed you all that, the video would be crazy long, so. I want it a little faster. Found a little nursery. I was definitely glad that I caught and brought some fresh sand fleas for this, because if I had used fiddler crabs solely, I would have burnt through my supply pretty quickly. The current was very aggravating here as well. I kept having to use my paddle to push me off the structure because it kept wanting to suck me right into it, and there was nothing I could do other than use the paddle to keep my distance. Okay, so I moved farther up into some moving current here and immediately got on a pretty good bite. at that.
I was still using sand fleas at this point, and I started just sweeping the bait up and down and letting it drop next to the pylons. And that's how these striper were hitting it, basically. This here was a really nice fish, and he got the best of me. I wasn't ready. At this point, I couldn't do anything. It just broke me off. But that was a pretty big fish.
That's a big fish.
So I switched to my heavier setup that I brought with me and was doing the same sweeping, jigging action. Unfortunately, this was the last one that I was able to hook in this area for whatever reason. I did try using swim baits, bucktails, a few other things. Oddly enough, the only thing they would hit is the sand fleas or fiddler crabs.
Jesus. I didn't get my flea though. Gotcha. Oh dang, I hooked him in the nose. I ain't never hooked one like that before. Got you though. Oh, more. That is fun. Alright, that's it. I'm done. Over these little babies. Alright, y'all, that's fun. I'm hitting it. I've had enough of this. I went through an ample supply of sand fleas, and thankfully I brought them because I would have burned through my fiddler crabs pretty quick. Some nice baby sheep's head, a couple nice stripers, and I hooked something massive that got away, so I don't know what it was. Probably a big striper. Anyway, heading in, we'll get loaded up, get some lunch. Peace out.